How to use First Abu Dhabi Bank FAB Share Platinum Credit Card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The FAB Share Platinum Credit Card is packed with perks, but many beginners make mistakes that cost them rewards and money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is misunderstanding reward points. Most people get this wrong by assuming every purchase earns the same points. In reality, purchases on groceries, fuel, and FAB partner merchants earn higher points, while other transactions earn fewer. Knowing this helps you maximize rewards effectively. Second mistake, ignoring payment schedules. You won't believe how often late payments occur. Always pay at least the minimum on time to avoid interest charges and penalties, which can easily outweigh your rewards. Setting up auto pay is a simple way to prevent this. Third mistake, underutilizing card benefits. The surprising truth is the FAB Share Platinum offers travel insurance, purchase protection, and airport lounge access. Many users overlook these features, losing out on thousands in potential value. Fourth mistake, exceeding credit limits. Beginners often misjudge their spending capacity. Keep track of your balance to avoid over-limit fees and negative impacts on your credit score. Finally, not reviewing terms and fees is common. Foreign transaction fees, late payment charges, or reward expiration dates can catch you off guard. Always read the fine print and plan your usage accordingly. By understanding the reward system, paying on time, leveraging benefits, monitoring limits, and reviewing terms, you can use the FAB Share Platinum credit card effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll turn your card into a powerful tool for smarter spending and greater rewards.